Next, the quadratic polynomial gx is equal to x squared plus bx plus t. It's a minimum of minus 13. So I know the minimum value of quadratic expression is minus b by 4. It is giving me as minus 13. I know the coefficient of x squared, that is a is 1 in this case. So from here, d becomes how much? 52. So discriminant for this polynomial is 52. Now, it is also given that value of this polynomial at x equal to 0 is 3. So putting x equal to 0 in this expression, I get 0 as c, and which is given as 3. So from here, c comes out to be 3. Now, what is the difference between the roots of the equation gx is equal to 0? So I need to find the difference of the roots of this equation. I know roots of this equation are minus b plus minus root d by 2. Or for any quadratic equation, the roots can be given by this formula. This is quadratic formula. So for any quadratic equation, there are two roots, minus b plus root d by 2. And second root is minus b minus root d by 2. And I need to get the difference of these two roots. So difference of these two roots, this is x1, this is x2. x1 minus x2 is how much? Minus b plus root d upon 2a minus times minus b minus root d by 2a. So from here, I can see there is this beautiful result of difference of the roots, which is b and b get cancelled. This is root d plus root d. 2 times root d upon 2a. 2 and 2 get cancelled, or the difference of roots for any quadratic equation comes out as root d upon a. Because I have discriminant as 52, I can directly find the value of difference of roots, which is asked. I need not to of roots. Alright. Need to find the roots of this equation. So from here, difference of the roots becomes root d upon a, and a in this case is 1. So root 52 is the difference of the roots, that is 4 into 13. So 2 root 13 is the difference of the roots of this quadratic expression or this quadratic equation. So correct answer is option C, 2 root 13.